Hey, welcome back to Expat Rebel. This is Expat Rebel Chris here, sitting in my new hot tub. All right, so I got this hot tub. It's an inflatable one, as you can see from the edge here and everything. And we stuck it on the edge, the pool deck. There's a pool. If you didn't watch the channel, you saw that built and whatnot, our heart-shaped pool with a palm tree in the middle. And that's the Palapa with the ocean over there. So you got your orientation of where we're at. And so we got a hot tub, this inflatable one at Costco in Merida, Yucatan, Mexico, as locals call it, cost more. Here, Costco actually costs more, but you get the really nice stuff that's a little hard to find. So they had this inflatable hot tub. Let me show you the panel. So it's in at Celsius. It gets up to 40 Celsius. So it's pretty good. I forgot to turn it on earlier this morning, so it would heat up. But that's the unit that powers it. And it also has bubbles. This button here, right here. As soon as you unlock the panel, trying to be too smart. There we go. It's a little noisy, obviously, when we turn it on. It gives you an idea of what you can get. Now, it was about $500, of course, in pesos. And we had to pay a little over $100 to get it delivered. And I live about an hour away from Merida. And I don't have a car. I don't drive. Otherwise, you just pop in the back of your car and off you go. And we actually had our electrician wire it up here. We did use an extension cord at first, way over there, but manual actually says that won't work if you're on an extension cord, and they were right. So you have to have it plugged in really close to a actual power block. So we had that put in, and then it worked fantastic. It's great after a long day reading and video game setup that I was doing as well today, and everything. We had a bunch of people over today fixing some things. It's nice to be able to get into the hot tub and relax. This is something you can get in Mexico, of course. We were looking at another system, more a jacuzzi brand, actually, with a ton of jets in it. And it was, think about it, $10,000 just to buy it and to get it delivered, installed. Who knows? Probably another 1,000, maybe even. And we weren't really sure if we really wanted it that bad. So we got the inflatable one. So we probably spent a little over $600, maybe $700 in total to get this up and running. But it's really nice. We've been really enjoying it. So that's it for this episode. Hey, if you're interested in more Expat Rebel type of information, you can go over to expatrebel.com. It's a weekly newsletter. We talk about a lot of other things besides just the fabulous lifestyle. And make sure if you got any questions about this, go ahead and leave a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Bye.